Well, this is an unexpected project. I'm sorry about the background noise, guys. I'm printing some PPE filters for a couple of friends at work that need them for this whole coronavirus thing, so just don't mind that noise. That printer's been running for a good while now. But anyways, we're gonna do a drift build. Wasn't really planning on it. I had originally done this body, not body, but I had this chassis as a Red Cat. I was just gonna use it to mess around on road and do some light all-wheel drive drifting or power sliding, whatever you want to call it. But we're gonna turn this into a real drifter now. We're gonna see what we can do with this chassis and this platform and see where we can take it. So of course I already have a brushless system for it, and honestly I'm not going to get a censored setup. This is not going to be a professional setup whatsoever. I just want to see what I can do as far as making this into an actual drift car. I'm going to drop in a new servo. So we're going to increase the steering angle. I need to figure out exactly how I can do that to where I can get more play out of these hubs. So there's going to be a lot of modification on this. And like I said, my brother gave me this body. This is actually a RC 4-wheel drive Mojave 2 body. So it's for a scale crawler, but actually the wheelbase is too long to fit on this. So I'm going to have to cut into the body, which I've never done in a hard body before. So that should be interesting. And we're going to make it fit this wheelbase. I'm going to leave it open engine. So I'm going to try to do the engine bay as scale as I can. Now, is that really going to happen? I don't know. I need to see what's available as far as free STL files for motors and basically anything that goes in the engine bay. I don't have inner fenders or anything like that, so we're gonna make it work and see. You know, I'm gonna try to make this look as cool as I can. Color, I'm undecided. I do like the matte black on it so far, but I'm thinking something like a ice blue, glitter blue. With like gold flake or something. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna try that. We're gonna do 3D printed parts. We're gonna do all kinds of stuff with this thing. So this thing's gonna get crazy. Now I did line up the body on the front, and it looks like it's gonna match. So if you see the front, it's gonna match pretty decently, I believe. But I'm gonna have to play around with the camber on the wheels and stuff. Of course, these body posts are gonna get removed. Bumper, undecided if I'm gonna remove or not. I can probably put like a scale radiator on here and some tubing and then cut out the foam. So the foam might stay, but for sure the body posts are going to get moved. I'm going to try and 3D print a motor or something that can go in here. And like I said, try to get like a whole bay going. I know it's going to be difficult, but you know, I like a challenge. So why not? We'll see how cool we can make this thing. Front posts have been moved from the front up here to underneath inside of the cab. As you can see, that's pretty good. Magnets are going to be strong enough here, and I am going to do body posts or maybe magnetic in the rear as well. So that's the next part. We have the front, the wheel lined up pretty well on both sides. It's not sticking out. The good thing is, if I want to go lower with it, I can always cut the post and go lower. So I just wanted to see how it was going to look like right now. And I think that's going to be good enough. So the next step is going to be measuring up the bed, cutting it off, and then reassembling all this together. I need to figure out a way to mount these magnets. I used hot glue and they're just coming undone. So I have the holes in here. I'm probably going to put some glue in there and see if that holds up or if it's going to eat through the glue. I'm not sure. So that's a problem. Hopefully we can get that fixed. But the next thing is the body. I have it on already. It's looking pretty good already. Everything's lining up pretty nicely, but I want the back to be a little bit lower. So I'm going to go ahead and shave down the shock tower. See, if you look here, we're not utilizing. We don't really need this curve here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the Dremel and just kind of cut straight through. And then we'll have a flat surface for that bed to sit on. I think it'll look good. What's up, guys? Flash and Flash Hobbies. So today I have some free time. I finally got the shitbox drifter finished, and I'm actually gonna go to one of the local RC tracks that we have here that has a whole drift setup. They open late, so I think right now it's 5:20 and they open at 5 or 6. I don't remember, but they're only open for a couple hours today. So we're gonna go check that out. Finally gonna get some footage of this thing, and well, we'll see what it can do. Shitbox drifter, right?